here with another recipe, a very easy one for taco night. This is what we call the ground beef for our tacos, and those are all of the ingredients that I'm going to use, and I'm going to have them listed in the description. This is 73% lean, 27% fat. I'm chopping the veggies first, so I'm prepping the red onion, and there's cilantro and garlic that's going to be added as well. So I have all my chopped veggies, as you can see, the garlic, the cilantro, and I have my aluminum pan with a little bit of hot oil ready to go to brown the beef. I'm going to be sprinkling some seasoning, which is like an adobo. This one's made by Lawry's, and I'll have the information. And it's pretty much ground onion powder, ground garlic, and parsley, oregano. It's really tasty. I've had a good experience with this blend of spices. So I'm going to brown the beef. Once my beef has browned, I'm actually going to be draining some of the fat, but not all of it. I'm going to be leaving some of the fat in there because I want that to cook the veggies. So I'm taking about 90% of the fat from the beef. Now I'm going to be adding the chopped veggies in no particular order. This is quick and easy cooking, so I'm going to just add all of the veggies all at once and stir until they cook down along with the beef and give the beef all of its flavor. I'm also adding here 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And I'm stirring all the veggies in with the tomato paste into the beef so it absorbs all the flavor. And of course, we can't go wrong with the Sazon Goya. This is my secret ingredient. And I'm also adding a little bit of cumin, which is also one of my favorite spices. I always use it when I make any kind of beef dishes. So the Sazon Goya is going to give it some color. And now I'm also going to chop up 2 potatoes, which I've washed. And I'm not chopping them very small, but not too big so that it doesn't take a long time to cook. I'm going to be adding those to my beef. And I'm going to season the potatoes at this time. I'm going to add some salt and some pepper as well. And I'm gonna mix all the ingredients so that they get blended and get the spices on all of the bits of potato in there. At this point, I'm also going to be adding some water so that the potatoes can cook, and I'm going to cover the pot and wait a few minutes. This is approximately 10 minutes later. Our beef is already cooked, so what we're looking for is for the potatoes to be nice and tender. So I think it needs a little bit more time. I usually can tell just by looking at the potatoes when they're done. So I'm going to put the lid. And this is approximately another 5 to 8 minutes later, and the potatoes are done. You can pierce them with a fork if you don't know, and try one and taste it and see if it's done to your liking. But I just know from experience, just from cooking it, that it's done and it's ready. Later on, I'm going to be heating up the taco shells, and I'm going to serve that with the beef. As you can see here, I have the taco served with the beef, and I also have some salad as well as some shredded cheese and a side dish, which I also made a video of, which is my rice with corn. So I hope you guys can see that video and enjoy making these recipes for your family. Thank you for watching.